Each price on the chart and each value of an indicator corresponds to a concrete number with which one can carry out mathematical calculations. It is necessary to define exactly what you want to do. Once that is done, you can test it to get a result. Trading is an ongoing process and there is no score. You don't see any lines for the playing field, so there are no clear boundaries if the ball is inside or outside. The reverse test is to do the opposite of what you think is working to prove that it really produces a measurable advantage or disadvantage. Most people will only need a few days to find out if they love or hate algorithmic trading. Nobody loses sleep about a loss of 17 cents, but it feels different for $17,000. An algorithmic trading system does not care, it is just going to trade the rules. Steady and slow growth is actually the very best way to make a profit without much risk. Yes, it may be possible to make a much bigger profit with something that produces bigger drawdowns. I prefer the equity curve to be as straight as the balance curve, but that doesn't always work. Brokers offer bonus programs to make you go all in right away. I believe that early success is what causes most account crashes, because people tend to repeat risky things as long as it works. You need to calculate the number of positions that you want to trade for each currency pair. I have made some videos about cent accounts, but basically $1,000 will be converted to 100,000 cents when you make a deposit. If a potential loss is too big, this will probably cost you good night's sleep. The expert advisor does its job. It calculates the entry signals. It calculates the position size. And it calculates the number of positions that should be opened. Hope traders want to make as much money as fast and with as little effort as possible. I liked when people told me that they actually see that I lost some weight, but guess what? I still hate to go on that treadmill, but I know I have to do it twice a week. Based on results, one can draw conclusions about which decisions promise better results in a similar situation. I think the main problem is that most traders only see one reality, and that is their own experience. Your computer doesn't care. It does not need to feel better or safe. It does not argue with reality. It will produce results based on calculations, not emotions. You might have seen these Windows updates restarting your computer in the middle of the game. That could cause problems.